Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Okay, guys, so today we're going to be working on question number 90 in Chapter 5 of Chemistry, the Central Science. So this is a three-part question. Part A asks, which releases the most energy when metabolized? 1 gram of carbohydrates or 1 gram of fat? So here we have to go to table 5.5, which is over here. We see the amount of calorie content for carbohydrates, which is C, fats, which is F, and proteins, which is P. So we have 4 calories being produced for every gram of carbohydrates that's being metabolized. And we have 9 calories being produced for every gram of fat that's being metabolized. So that means that 1 gram of fat is going to produce 9 calories and 1 gram of carbohydrates is going to be producing 4 calories. So 1 gram of fat produces more calories than 1 gram of carbohydrates. Now, for part B, we're doing a snack food that is composed of 12% protein, 14% fat, and the rest is composed of carbohydrates. In this case, 74% carbohydrates. So that means 1 gram of this chip is 0.12 grams protein, 0.14 gram fat, and 0.74 gram carbohydrates. So what they want to see, what percent of the calorie content of the food is fat? So we're going to need to figure out how many calories the chip burns on its own. So we're going to multiply 0.12 grams m's of our protein by the amount of calories released per gram of our protein. So times 4 calories per gram m is equal to 0.448 calories for the protein content. Then we have 0.14 grams of our fat multiplied by 9 calories per gram. And which produces 1.26 calories. Then we have 0.74 grams of carbohydrates. Times 4 calories per gram. AIM, which equals 0.74 times 4 calories per gram. That's 2.96 calories. So now first we add all of these up to 0.48 plus 1.26 plus 2.96 is equal to 4.7 calories. And that's for 1 gram of our chip being burned. So now we have 4.74 calories total from this. So now we have to figure out how much of this calories are from fat. So we're going to take the amount of calories we got from the fat, 1.26, x divided by the amount of calories we got from the total. Divide that, and now we have that the amount of energy we're getting from the fat in our chip is going to equal 0.268 or 26.8%. Now we're going to go to part 3. So we're going to see how many grams of protein provide the same fuel as 25 grams of fat. So to do this, we have to figure out how many grams of protein do we need to produce the same amount of energy that we would need for 1 gram of fat. So here we divide our 9 calories per gram of our fat divided by our 4 calories per gram of our protein, and we get at this ratio. So we need 2.25 grams of our protein per 1 gram of our fat. Now, in this case, we have 25. Thus, we have 25 grams of fat. So we have to simply multiply the amount of fat we would need. Thus, we have to multiply this value, 2.25, times 25, and that'll tell us how much protein we need to get for us to produce the same amount of energy as 25 grams of fat. So 2.25 times 25, that is going to equal to 56.25 grams of our protein. And that is how we do question number 90.